wipes. Yes, you can't forget the wipes. Hey, what's up guys? If you don't know me, my name is Antonio Malo. And on today's show, I'm gonna show you how to make a diaper bag. But first, let's go to a quick montage of Leo, our newborn baby. Let's go.
You're getting to be a big boy.
I'm just a kid who's 4. Each day I grow some more. I like exploring. I'm Caillou. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share.
And don't you, oh my god, don't you think he's cute? Don't you think he's cute? My little baby. So today was really dark, really cloudy, rainy, the worst day ever. It was so boring. Let's show a quick montage of that. And wasn't that freaking boring? I hate those type of days. You know, we need sun. We need to have fun, you know, not just boring, dark, nasty roads. You know, 1 or 2 cars are coming by. I don't like it. So now let's go with Antonio to show you how to make a diaper bag. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you exactly what you need on your diaper bag. I'm with my wife, Dulce Malo. I am with Leo Malo, and Carter is sleeping. We're gonna show you exactly what you need for your diaper bag. We do have our diaper bags ready. Alright, so first,
Diapers.
yeah, you can't forget the diapers. Obviously, that's the first thing, you know, nobody can forget that. You need a lot of them because they're gonna go fast. What else?
The wipes.
The wipes, yes, you can't forget the wipes. Third thing you definitely need is bottle. This backpack, I have my bottles here. They're, you know, you can put anything from water bottles, anything, but I just keep them here. Yours?
Yeah, same. Side pocket.
Side pockets, yeah. I think most diaper bags come with these. If not all diaper bags come with these pockets on the side. But other thing you need with that is your formula. You can't and if you're not doing formula, if you're doing breast, you know, just keep them inside. Don't forget the breast milk. Don't forget the formula. That does come with the, you know, you can't use the bottle's useless if you don't have the formula.
Yep.
And we give Leo both formula and breast, so he's pretty how do you say it? Pretty healthy. He's pretty healthy. Burping cloths. Can't forget the burping cloths.
Extra clothes.
Extra clothes, yes,
Yeah.
you do need extra clothes. Because if you're gonna
They
go
like to-
somewhere,
yeah.
if you're gonna get out of the house, you're not gonna be able to, you know, go out and buy clothes. If you're, you know, if he had an accident in the middle of the night, there's not much stores are open except for Walmart.
There's a link.
Carter's awake. We're gonna go with Carter real quick.
Want me to go get them? It's okay.
Other thing you can't forget the sippy cups, because without sippy cups, hell breaks loose. Toys, you can't forget your toys too. She doesn't have toys in hers, but I do have toys in mine. Pacifiers as well. That's another thing. Pacifiers. Can't forget your pacifier. Of course, if the baby does he actually didn't take pacifier, but this little boy does pacifier all day, every day. If he's not on the bottle, if he's awake, he wants to pacify. All right, well, I'm gonna go through my backpack real quick, see if you guys get any ideas. But mine is like a heavy duty, you know, prepper backpack. All right, so my backpack, you know, like I said, I have my diapers right here. Here, I have my oral stuff, or sorry, baby's oral stuff. Comes to check the temperature, a little toothbrush, and then I also put his pacifiers in there. Zip it up, and then zip it up and then button it. On this one, it's his wipes. I'm gonna take off his wipes, and it comes with a little slot. You know, I put the brushes in here, and then right here I have his paperwork. All his paperwork is in here. So yeah, Dulce had to feed real quick. Okay, so then this section have, oh, and this is like another little rag just in case, you know, any emergencies. Of course, I don't use it all the time, but for any emergencies, you know, I just got it right away. I do keep his clothes here, his bibs are here, his clothes, his little hats. This is very handy, very, very handy. It comes with 3 little slots where you can put the formula, and you know, you don't have to take your whole box or take your whole container. You just pop them in here and it gives you enough for three bottles. So I have that here. I have pacifier wipes, so whenever he drops his pacifier or anything. Again, his rags are in a little bag in here. Alright. And then I have little things in here in these little mesh bags. I have this in here. His nail stuff, just small stuff. There's another little bag, I just don't have anything in it yet. And then here as well, not everybody carries toys, but I do like to carry toys. Like I said, I'm a prepper and I like to have everything prepared. And then, so here comes, like I said, extras for extras. I do have extra clothes and then extras for those clothes, and then I have backups for my extras. I have two pairs of clothes in here. I have a bib in here and extra clothes in here. I'm gonna add some socks. I just have to get them. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just stay prepared. Remember, all you need is diapers, wipes, bottles, formula, pacifiers. Don't forget hand sanitizer as well. You know, some people don't use hand sanitizer, but we do. We have a big bottle of hand sanitizer. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it from our side. Hope you liked it, and we're pretty much good on our side. I think we'll go back to you, Antonio. And thank you, Antonio. Thank you so much for that. I'm gonna for sure tell all my friends who have kids. I'm gonna tell them, dude, I love your diaper bag, man. That is pretty cool, man. That's cool. I like the patch. It's a manly bag. It's a manly bag. Like I said again, most comments is gonna get a dedicated video. So for today's video is AndroPass13. Thank you, man. Thanks for watching again. You already know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment below. And I will see you cats on the flip-flop later.